Hello guys, welcome back to the show. It's your boy Dan, and today I'm gonna talk about why you should update your Windows 11 version, okay, to 25H2. Pero sabi nila ang daming like something bugs sa 25H2, but if you are like 23H2 or 21, just don't update your Windows version to 24H2 kasi I can't actually do anything like Miracast or something. Kasi why I want to Miracast is just to Miracast my phone to the PC so I could play some Trouble Legends to just cast here at a record. But it doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything kasi Windows version of this 24H2 doesn't support the Miracast. So that's fucked up, dude. That's fucked up. So, there's something new. Pero ang dami kasi yung like difference like something sa 24H2 if you're like end of the support, of course, end of the line of support of your Windows version. You could upgrade sa 24H2 but i-upgrade mo agad. Okay? Or hindi, you gonna wait for 10 days kung gusto mo. But akin kasi I can see some many bugs kasi naga-frame drop yung mga gameplay ko dito sa new version. And I have the old version of the 21. Okay, 21H2, that's the older version talaga. But kasi yun nga something kasi kung some drivers were outdated kaya naga-blue screen siya. That's why I upgrade to 24. Right now, wala naman akong issue ngayon sa blue screen. But it makes my games so lag and stuttering. When I played Roblox lang na Black Fruit, parang na-feel ko talaga, what the fuck? Is this a frame drop? Kasi yung J1H2 na yun, wala naman ako frame drop nangyari. So, yun nga, hindi ko naman upgrade to sa 23 kasi wala na optional doon ng 23. So, niretso ko na sa 25. I know 25 is kind of new, but they said na nabasa ko, it's kind of stable and it has Miracast. Okay? So, ayaw ko kasi maghintay ng umagtiis dito sa 24H2. It doesn't give me free will to play and Miracast my game. Kaya nagtaka ako. Bakit there's no wireless, there's no cast. Yung cast ko nagiging wired display siya. Hindi ko alam anong gagawin ko, guys. Hindi ko talaga alam, but if I go back to my version of 21, baka kasi sira siya or something, buggy kung bumalik ako sa mismong But I don't think it's safe to go back. I don't know, guys. Kasi hinihintay ko lang like 10 days kasi wala akong magawa. I don't know how to cast my phone even though sa wired. Gusto kong cord. I think wala naman ako HDM capture card. Wala akong capture card. So ayun yung mahirapan ako. I just want to play some games na para ko i-upload and yun nga, hirap kasi I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do. Fuck, man. Sadyang in-upgrade ko lang kasi it's so buggy. It's so buggy, guys. Wala akong alam kung anong gagawin ko. That's why na lang it's so hard to to think kung if I go back to my previous version agad. I think it will ruin my PC. Baka lang. So, I don't know, guys. Just don't upgrade your PC to 24H2 kasi wala siyang Miracast. And something, ang ganda naman yung mga niya eh. There's something good kasi meron naman sa Internet Explorer kasi meron na siyang tabs. That's what I like it. Bruno Mars, that's what. Kasi meron na siyang tabs. If you know tabs yung dun sa mga kapag sa mga Chrome, meron na siya. You can see here. You can see here, meron na siyang tabs, oh. Tabs. Damn! Meron na siyang tabs. That's the one thing yung nagustuhan ko lang sa Windows na yon. But ayun yeah, it's kind of crazy that we don't have anything na Miracast options sa 24H2. Even though it's kind of new and it's not stable as other versions, kind of crazy, you know. But you know, guys, sana sana nga ma-issue nila to, like ma-fully stable na yung 24H2. But yun nga, I cannot fucking record of this one. But if ever lang, kung gusto ko lang bumalik sa 23, maybe lang mamaya. But I would not take risk. No, parang bumalik. But who knows, di ba? So, see you next week.